Right now is a really tough time, but it doesn't have to be. For you guys who don't know me, I am Shika. I'm a travel lifestyle content creator, mentor, and owner of Blog It. And on this channel, I talk about all things spirituality, wellness, entrepreneurship, and social media for conscious business owners, creatives, and beings. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to manifest during tough times. I know sometimes there can be so many things going on, whether it's uncontrollable circumstances for your job, your career, for relationships, for things that you just feel like right now everything is against me and I don't know what to do. Today I'm going to reassure you and give you 5 tips that you can actually use to help you feel great, manifest what you want quickly, and ensuring that you know that the manifestation is coming your way. I am going to be posting a little bit more videos more often just because right now I have more time. Second of all, I know a lot of you are having hard times and you've been messaging me for support, and I thought, how can I serve you guys more? And what came to my mind is to create more videos. So I will still be doing my videos 3 times a week, but I will also be adding for the time being more videos daily. So I'm super excited for that. I always love doing daily videos from Monday to Friday. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe so you do not miss a video. I want to help and support you on your journey. And today's subscriber of the day is Antonio Senjang. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm sending you so much love, light, and positivity. Let's get into this video. The first thing is what is happening now is not definite. It's not forever. I know a lot of people say this, but let's go deeper into this. What is currently happening is the only thing that is happening. And 2 seconds from now, that thing you don't have full control of. Sometimes when we're in our tough times, we hold on to grudges and kind of a sense of negative energy because we are so mad and so much sadness within ourselves because we want an outcome to happen in a certain way. The way the universe works is sometimes they have things that happen that aren't always so pleasant in order to bring us to our highest self and our utmost potential of what we should be doing in this lifetime. So, best way to explain it is sometimes if you go for applying for a job and that job that you wanted, you end up finding out that you didn't get it, or that client that you wanted, you didn't get it. There's a reason why. It's because there is a better client out there. There is a better job for you. Or maybe your thoughts are not aligning with exactly what you want. So before going into manifesting anything, you need to make sure that your emotions are aligned with what you're saying, because then it allows the universe to know exactly what you think. I'm sure you've had scenarios where bad things happen. You're like, why is this happening to me? And it's because you were thinking of it and you subconsciously, and it has attracted into your life. Biggest thing is to know is what is going on right now. You have full control to completely change it. You know, there's this quote that I saw the other day where your 2 months from now can be completely different and you can be experiencing completely different things from 2 years ago. So the difference between the two, you never know. It's the unknown. And I know uncertainty can be difficult. It's probably not what the answer you want to hear. But the reason why I'm saying that is because you need to be comfortable with uncertainty. You need to be comfortable but understanding that you can only control the now, nothing in the future, nothing in the past, in order for you to manifest. Manifestation comes from what you currently do now, and it affects all of the outcomes that happen in the future. So if you work hard now on something, or if you start a new creative outlet or a new job, or start creating, applying to jobs for 10 hours every day or 6 hours every day with intentional jobs that align with what you're looking for, then the universe will make those jobs, those opportunities come to you. But if you're applying just because out of desperation of wanting to make money and it's coming from a materialistic and pleasurable place, then the universe will not bring that to you, will not allow you to manifest that. So again, remember that what is happening now can change drastically, but how we can manifest with what our current tough situation is by really changing and allowing ourselves to accept that this isn't forever. You have full control of this, and you need to figure out what exactly do you want to manifest and why is that. Explaining exactly why that is to yourself and to the universe. The second thing is you are the painter of your reality. And what I mean by that is that we paint our realities. You know, something that is bad is not actually bad. We consider it bad out of connotation, out of experience, out of many things like that. So what exactly is bad is the question. Bad is determined based on the childhood experiences that you've had, your teenage experiences, your current experiences, what you've been taught for years and years being raised. So, you know, there's this sense of innocence that comes into this world with any living thing. But what allows us to create things such as bad people or things like that is all taught. It's never something that we innately know until we have seen it somewhere or we've absorbed it somewhere, that energy somewhere, right? So when you're going through a tough time and you're trying to manifest, understand what type of idea do you want to what you want to paint, essentially. And that goes to my third point, which is visualization and meditating every single day. In order for you to paint the idea of what you want to manifest, and now that you know what it is, it's allowing yourself to visualize. I noticed right off the bat, I did this right before this video with you guys, is I did a manifestation visualization meditation where I was visualizing exactly what I wanted. So for example, if I want that car that's really beautiful, I am visualizing exactly what the car is, what's the detailing, what day is it, what am I wearing, imagining everything as if I'm feeling it. And I am imagining right then when I close my eyes and meditate, like I'm driving that car and I'm feeling excited and amazed. If I want to be a boss and like have my own business, successful, making six figures or whatever that is, whatever that idea looks like, I am painting what my everyday would look like. You know what I mean? I am thinking about those things, and that's what allowed me to create what my lifestyle is today. It's all on the basis of creating it, painting it, visualizing it, practicing it. I don't just do one meditation one day and say, okay, I'm good. No, it's a continuous thing. It's like watering a plant, right? You need to water it, and as you water it more and more, before you know it, you're like, oh, that plant is growing so quickly. It's because you're allowing to manifest the growth of it by watering it. So you need to water your visualization. You need to water what you want the universe to bring to you by visualizing. And do this every single day for 5 to 10 minutes. Do it in the morning is really great, but even on your break, or even when you have times where you just feel so doubtful of yourself, bring in that visualization and visualize the life that you want. You will notice a complete transformation of your energy and just your thought process after that. You feel kind of lit up and excited, and the tough times don't matter anymore. But what really matters is the fact that you're actually painting the lifestyle that you want. Number 4 is focus on what you do have, not what you don't have. This is a really good point. Sometimes when we're in tough times, we're thinking about not having money, not being able to work, not being able to have that relationship, having to move. There's all these things that we think that are negative. But what about the simple things of having a place to shower, having food, having that random phone call from a friend that you haven't talked to in years that has called you, being able to spend more time with your loved ones because you're not at work? There's always a positivity in a situation, no matter how bad it is. You just have to change your perspective. So allowing yourself to be grateful of at least 3 things every day allows you to feel abundant, feel happy, feel excited, feel love. And with those emotions will attract everything that you are practicing through visualization. The 5th and final reason is love and gratitude. This is really huge. Love is one of the most powerful and compassionate things. They always say out of everything from anger to sadness, love can triumph anything. And gratitude is important because we want to be grateful for the thing that is divinely yours. When you visualize something, it's already yours. The only definite now is the time. How long will it take? And the only reason that we have time in this dimension is because humans invented it. In other dimensions, it doesn't matter. There's no such thing as time. So realistically, when you say it, it's right now. You have it right now. You have your $1 million. You have that family. You have that kid. You have whatever you're manifesting right now. But you're limiting yourself by adding the time constraint. And that's where goals come in, which I want to do a video on this. What's the difference between manifestation and how does goals come into that, you know? How are you able to add realistic goals that actually align with your manifestation? Because if you are setting goals, sometimes that can limit the amount of expansion and the amount of success that you can actually do. And that's something that I've learned over the time. Sometimes I create a goal and I feel kind of like not short, like the short end of the stick, but I feel kind of sad about it because, hey, like I could have done so many bigger things if I set myself up for that bigger goal. So it's almost great to manifest exactly what you're focusing on. And that's why they say when people chase money or chase things or chase pleasures, they never are happy at the end of the day. They are never able to get out of that tough situation. They're never able to manifest what they realistically want. And you know why? It's because they're stuck. They're stuck in the mindset of time. They're stuck in the mindset of, I'm here and I need to be over here. And, you know, you keep on, you know, seeing how long you have to go, how long you have to go, how long you have to go. And it actually causes you to lower your vibration, to focus less on the visualization, to feel lesser of. And you're not. You've already attained it. It's already divinely yours. So again, to really bring that in, be grateful. Put in love. Tell your loved ones you love them. Be grateful and show the compassion of the food you eat. Just show love for everything, everyone, everything, every object, and every object essentially. And with that gratitude, you will attract outside of the tough times. And like I said, from 2 months to 2 years, there could be a completely big difference. And even now you guys can say from one day to another day, things can change overnight, you know? Things can really change. Some people don't even get to see their loved ones, right? Like, so really be grateful for all the things that you have because it is a gift. It is not essentially something that we are entitled to essentially, you know, this lifetime, there's no time, you know? So get yourself out of the tough times, manifest it by really bringing in visualization, knowing that you are the painter of your reality. The now is not forever, and you have full control of changing where you want it to go. And be grateful for at least 3 things every day. Show love, show compassion, and with that, even in the tougher times, that will actually propel you to keep on going. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was so nice to do this video. I think it's very helpful for a lot of you guys at this time. And I just want to say I am so grateful for how strong you've come and how hard you're going. And I want you to keep on pushing. So I'm sending you so much love, so much light, so much positivity. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. 3 videos every single week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, with the exception of random extra ones here and there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.